Hey everybody, I just wanted to check in with you guys. You guys all know that all of modules 1 and 2 are going to be on your 9-week grade. So for most of you guys, you know what that grade is going to be. I know that there was a little bit of confusion. Basically, the way that the system works is because module 3 is technically in your second 9 weeks, depending on what grades you have for just 1 or 2 assignments in module 3, it can drastically affect your course total grade. So I saw a lot of people's grades like all of a sudden dropped in half, basically, because you're averaging basically a 0 with your total from the first 9 weeks. So don't worry about that. You should really be looking at I think it's called first semester grades or first 9-week grades. That's your true grade that you're going to get, but I think most of you guys figured that out. As for, I've got a couple things to cover. That was one. This is for very few of you, but make sure I had to put in a couple zeros last night because some people had forgotten to go in to a few lessons and do their late work by the grace period. So make sure that you're checking the grade book to make sure you don't have any blanks in there. Okay. Second thing is I posted an announcement yesterday afternoon about C-SPAN covering many of the landmark Supreme Court cases over the next couple months. They did the slaughterhouse cases as their first one. And you can go on, you don't have to watch it live. I mean, you can if you find the C-SPAN channel, but they will post the video afterwards. And there's a link if you go to their website, and you can find those cases. And I think that they're just super interesting. And in terms of the AP Government course, knowing your cases and the background is so beneficial. The landmark Supreme Court cases come up in the multiple choice sections a lot, and in the FRQs, and just having that great background is really helpful. The last point that I want to make is just to keep encouraging you to come to the review sessions, okay? Come to the review sessions. For those of you guys who came to the Module 2 post-assessment review session, I think that Mr. Giles gave some secret tips after he turned off the recording device. He does that from time to time to encourage people to come, because those people that just listen to it later, they're not going to get that special advice, and I think it really did help some of those people that stayed. You guys can text me and tell me if it did help. But we're getting a consistent, we have 23 people in the class, and we're getting 5 or 6 people. I really want to get that up to 10 or 12 people. If we're getting half of the class going to the review session. So, you guys are AP students. There's no extra credit. That's not what this is about. This is about you doing what's expected of you. And these review sessions are really good for learning the material. Okay? Online education is a special thing. And when you get a teacher like Mr. Giles and myself and Miss Ward and all these people, no other online classes are doing this. So this is a really unique opportunity to have these weekly review sessions, and I think it's invaluable, and I've gotten great feedback from the people that go. So I really want to encourage you to go. It'll make me very happy if I start to see more of you guys there. Okay, that's all for now. Good luck and keep working in Module 3.